OnlineClinic Honest Review, watch before using. OnlineClinic is a UK-based online healthcare provider offering consultation and prescription services for various medical conditions. They aim to provide a convenient alternative to traditional doctors' visits by facilitating online consultation and delivering medications directly to patients. And here are the key features about the platform. They provide online consultations. They also provide prescription medication with fast delivery and confidential services, which emphasize patients' privacy and data protection. And here are the pros about this website, which is convenience. They allow patients to receive medication consultation and treatment without visiting a clinic, and also they provide a next day delivery, ensured and timely access to medication, and also they offer the user-friendly platform. So their website is designed to easy navigation and straightforward consultation processes. And now here are the downside about this platform, which is the pricing. Some treatment may be period higher compared to other provider, and also not all medical conditions are covered, primarily focused on the common alignment, and the lack in personal consultation, which may not suit all patients, especially those with complex medical history. And here's if you want a few customer feedback about this website, you can just go to the platform to check their full customer feedback. And here's the final verdict about this platform. So OnlineClinic offers a convenient solution for patients seeking quick access to medical consultation and treatment for common conditions. While the platform provides speed and ease of use, potential users should weigh the cost and the absence of face-to-face consultation when considering this service.